I felt surge of anger, disappointment about this deed of Lord Sri Rama towards Sita Devi, who without any doubt, without any regret, had sacrificed so many things for her husband. Namo Namaha. Welcome to Amrit Bhasha by me, Shraddha Nilesh Gosavi. So Ram Navami is around the corner and we all are preparing for the celebration. So I thought of giving offering from my side. Talking about Ramayana, I never really read Ramayana all by myself in my childhood. All the story was getting formed in my mind by the information that I was getting from different movies, TV serials and stories here and there. I was really disappointed by few things Lord Rama has done towards Sita Devi, who without any question, without any doubt in her mind had sacrificed so many things for Lord Rama. She was also a princess. She married to him and after that decided to be with him no matter what and followed him to the Vanvas for 14 years. But after they came back to Ayodhya, Lord Rama had given up Sita Devi and he left her in the forest just to pacify the false accusations. I was so angry about it because he left her when she was pregnant. I remember one year when me and my friends were discussing about Lord Rama. It was around Ram Navami itself. And we were talking about these incidences which we felt were injustice for many female characters of the story. Just like Ahilya, who was punished because of the betrayal not done by her but Indra. Even I felt pity for Shurpanakha because she was punished for expressing love. So when we friends were discussing this, one of my friend, she felt offended. How can we really talk about Lord Rama, who was celebrated, who was worshipped in this country, in Bharata, through ages, through centuries? So she got very offended and she left the chat, she left our group. We had to apologize to her a lot and promised her that we won't do it again. But that was the time when I decided, yes, I need to learn about the entire story of Lord Rama. It is important to understand the entire story of Lord Rama before forming any opinion about his life. Slowly, I came to know about the other side of story. Lord Rama was the same person who has refused to kill a Rakshasi, a demon, just because she was a woman. He had also accepted the imperfect offering of Shabari, which she has offered out of her devotion. Lord Rama loved Sita Devi so much that he went all the way to Lanka to fight with mighty Ravan in his own land and with his entire army. He not only defeated Ravan but also brought back Sita Devi with utmost respect. We can only imagine his suffering, his pain when he gave up the love of his own life, Sita Devi. At that time, he gave more importance to the duties of being a noble king over being a husband. He did not even get married the second time, which was very easy for a king like him in those days. That's why he is known as Maryada Purushottam. His life is a great example of life lived within boundaries, Maryada. For keeping the word of his father, he went to the forest for 14 years. He didn't even think second time for giving up an entire kingdom for which he was the most suitable candidate. He always respected all the women. Out of ignorance, if I have said anything which would hurt anybody, then I really apologize for it. Now I have an immense respect about Lord Rama. I even tell the story of Ramayana to my young one. And I request all of you to do the same because it is really important that such stories from ancient Bharata should be known by our next generation, younger generation. So I hope you will definitely make an attempt to share these stories, share the story of Lord Rama, Maryada Purushottam Lord Rama with your young ones. And for Ram Navami, I have decided that I will give tribute to Lord Rama by presenting the Rama Bhujanga Prayat Stotram composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Bhujanga Prayat is a meter in Sanskrit which enable us to sing this stotra in a particular tune. There are 29 verses in this stotra, so I have chosen few verses to present in front of you. I hope that this attempt will be helpful to you and you will recite this stotra or any other stotra for praising and worshipping Lord Rama on the day of Ram Navami. So let's begin. With the 8th verse. यदा मत्समीपं कृतान्तः समेत्य प्रचण्ड प्रकोपैर्भटैः भीषयेन्मां तदा विष्करोषि त्वदीयं स्वरूपं सदा पत्प्रणाशं सकोदण्डबाणं. Yada, when Krutantah, god of death, or we can say Kala, Yamaraj, Mat Samipam Sametya, come near me, and Prachanda Prakopa Bhattaihi Bhishayen Mam, and threatens me, makes me feel afraid. Who is making me feel afraid? Prachanda Prakopa Bhatta. Prachanda, the powerful and fearsome. Prakopa, angry. Bhatta are the soldiers. So, when the god of death comes near me and the angry and fearsome soldiers of death of God are threatening me, making me feel afraid. Tada vishkaroshi twadiyam swarupam. O Lord Rama. Tada, then, twadiyam swarupam, your form, vishkaroshi, please bring out your form. Which form? Sadapat pranasham sakodandabanam. Sakodandabanam, the form in which you are armed with the kodanda bow. Pat pranasham, to remove all the fear of danger. So, whenever mat samipam, near me, krutantah, the god of death comes, and prachanda prakopa, the fearsome and angry bhatta, soldiers of death of God, bhishayen mam, are making me afraid, are troubling me. O Lord Rama, please take your form. It is said that Kodanda is the bow of Shiva, which Lord Rama uses as his weapon. So please bring out your form, which is armed with the Kodanda bow, and always take away the fear of danger from me. Next shlok is the 16th verse. This describes the incident when Lord Rama brings Ahilya to life from a stone. So let's read. Shilapi tvadangrikshama sangirenu prasadadhi chaitanyamadatta Rama naratstvatpadadvandva seva vidhanat suchaitanyameti kim chitramatra. Shilapi, even the ordinary stone, even the stone getting the dust of your twadangri, your foot, your feet. So even the stone, after getting the dust, even the dust of your feet, prasadadhi chaitanyam adhattarama. O Lord Ram, prasadadhi, out of the blessing, chaitanyam adhatta, that stone gained chaitanyam, the life. After getting the dust from your feet as a blessing gains the life, gains the chaitanya, the active life, the element of life. Narastvatpada dvandva seva vidhanat, by serving, by saluting to padadvandva, the pair of your feet. O great Lord, suchaitanyameti iti kim chitramatra. Suchaitanyam, the salvation can be obtained. Kim chitramatra, what is strange about it? This means that even an ordinary stone comes to life when being touched upon by the dust of your feet. So there is no doubt about it that those who are serving at your feet will gain salvation, the Suchaitanyam. The next verse is verse number 19. Prachanda pratapa prabha vibhuta prabhutari veera prabho Ramachandra balam te katham varnyate tiva balye yato khandi chandi shako danda danda. O Lord Rama, who is Prachanda, who is greatest, powerful, Pratapa, who is the bravest, Prabhutari Veera, you are that brave one who is the killer of enemies. So, Prachanda Pratapa Prabhava Vibhuta, the one who is powerful, who is bravest of all, is the and who is the killer of enemies, O Lord Rama. Balam te katham varnyate, how your power can be explained. Ativa balye, how your power can be explained to even a child. Yato khandi chandisha kodanda danda. Yato, as khandi meaning broken. What is broken? Chandisha kodanda. You have broken the bow of Lord Shiva. So your power does not require explanation to even a child, since you are that brave who is the bravest of all and who has broken the mighty bow of Lord Shiva. Kodanda. Next slok is Dashagriva Mukram Saputram Samitram Saridurga Madhyastha Raksho Ganesham Bhavantam Vinarama Viro Narova Asuro Vamaro Vajayet Kastrilokyam. Dashagriva, the 10-headed. That is, we are talking about Ravana, the one who has 10 heads, who was Ugra, fearsome. Saputra, along with all his sons. Samitram, along with all his friends. So, in summary, this means that the fearsome mighty Ravana, along with all his friends and sons and the entire army. Also, Sarit Durga Madhyastha Raksho Ganesham. So, and in his own land, in Lanka, which is Sarit Durga Madhya, Sarit, river or ocean. So, Sara, Madhya meaning in the middle of. So, the land which is in the middle of an ocean. So, Sarit Durga Madhya, which is surrounded by an ocean. So, that is also one kind of protection to the land of Ravana. And Raksho Ganesham, which is being protected by different means, many different ways. In many different ways, Lanka was protected from all the sides. So, the next line is Bhavantam Vina Rama Viro Narova. O Ram, Bhavantam Vina, without you, who is that Veera? Who is that brave one? Asurova, any demon. Amarova, Amara meaning a god. Amara means who doesn't die. So Amara means a god. So who is that god? Who is that demon? Or Viro Narova, who is that brave person? Who is Jayet Kah Trilokyam? Who is that person? Trilokyam, in all the three worlds. Jayet, who can win this mighty Ravan. Who is other than Bhavantam Vina? Who is other than you who can win this fearsome Ravana, mighty Ravan, in his own land with fighting with his own army? So there is no other person, there is no one else who can fight this war and win it apart from you. The next verse is Namaste Sumitra Suputra Bhivandya Namaste Sada Kaikai Nandanedya Namaste Sada Vanaradhisha Vandya Namaste Sada Ramachandra. So this means that the one who was worshipped by Sumitra Putra. So we always know how loyal Sumitra Putra, that is son of Sumitra, Lakshmana, was towards Sri Rama. So, O Lord Rama, who was worshipped by, who was always saluted by Sumitra Putra Lakshmana. Namaste, O Lord Rama. We salute you, who was Sada Kaikeyi Nandanedya. Salutation to Lord Rama, who was always respected by the son of Kaikeyi, that is Bharata. Salutation to Lord Rama, who was always saluted by son of Sumitra, that is Lakshmana. Salutation to Lord Rama, who was always respected by son of Kaikeyi, that is Bharata. Namaste Sada Vanaradhisha Vandya. O Lord Rama, Namaste, we salute to you, who was worshipped by Vanaradhisha, the king of monkeys, that is Sugriva, who was a very good friend of Lord Rama as well. Namaste, Namaste, Sada Ramachandra. O Lord Rama, we always salute to you. इति श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यस्य श्री गोविंद भगवत पूज्य पादशिष्यस्य श्रीमच्छंकर भगवतः कृतौ रामभुजंग प्रयात स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम्. I hope you will like these efforts of presenting part of Bhujanga Prayat Stotra in front of you on the occasion of Ram Navami. In the remaining part of this video, I am also including the chanting I have done of all the verses from this stotra. So please make sure you make use of them. I also hope that you will try to share the story of Ramayana with the young ones from your family and try to inspire them with this ancient story of Bharata. Rama Bhujanga Prayat Stotram. Bhujanga Prayat is a meter in Sanskrit. So it helps us to understand which tune we can use to sing a particular stotra or mantra. Let's begin with the Rama Bhujanga Prayat Stotram, which was composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. This stotra has 29 verses. I am going to recite it for you now. So let's begin. Vishuddham param Satchidananda Rupam Gunadharamadharahinam Varenyam Mahantam Vibhantam Guhantam Gunantam Sukhantam Swayam Dhamaramam Prapadye Shivam Nityamekam Vibhum Tarakhakyam Sukhakaramakarashunyam Sumanyam Mahesham Kalesham Suresham Paresham Naresham Nirisham Mahisham Prapadye Yada Varnayat Karnamulenta Shivo Rama Rameti Rameti Kashyam Tadekam Param Taraka Brahmarupam Bhajeham 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 Maharatna Pithe Shubhe Kalpamule Sukhasinam Koti Prakasham Sada Janaki Lakshmanopetamekam Sada Ramachandram Bhajeham Bhajeham Kvanatratnamanjira Padaravindam Lasanmekhala Charupitambaradhyam Maharatnaharo Lasat Kaustubhangam Nadachancharim Manjarim Lolamalam Lasat Chandrika Smira Shonadharabham Samudyat Patangendu Koti Prakasham Namat Brahmarudradikoti Ratnam Sfurat Kantini Rajanaraadhitangrim Pura Pranjalinanjaneyadi Bhaktan Swachit Mundraya Bhadraya Bodhayantam Bhajeham Bhajeham Sada Ramachandram Twadanyam Namanye 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 Yadamat Samipam Krutantam Sametya Prachanda Prakopai Bhatai Bhishayenmam Stada Vishkaroshi Twadiyam Swarupam Sada Pat Pranasham Sakodandabhanam Nije Manase मंदिरे सन्निधेहि प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो रामचंद्र ससौमित्रिणा कैकेयीनन्दनेन स्वशक्त्यानुभक्त्या च संसेव्यमान स्वभक्ताग्रगण्यैः कपीशैर्महिषैः अनेकैरनेकैश्च राम प्रसीद नमस्ते नमोऽस्त्विष राम प्रसीद प्रसाधि प्रसाधि प्रकाशं प्रभो मां त्वमेवासि दैवं परं यदेकं सुचैतन्यमेतत्त्वदन्यं न मन्ये यतो भूतमेयं वियद्वायुतेजो जलोर्व्याधिकार्यं चरं चाचरं च नमः सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय तस्मै नमो देवदेवाय रामाय तुभ्यं नमो जानकी जीवितेशाय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्डरीकाय ताक्षाय तुभ्यं नमो भक्तियुक्तानुरक्ताय तुभ्यं नमः पुण्यपुञ्जैकलभ्याय तुभ्यं नमो वेदवेदाय चाद्याय पुंसे नमः सुन्दरायेन्दिरावल्लभाय नमो विश्वकर्त्रे नमो विश्वहर्त्रे नमो विश्वभोक्त्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमो विश्वनेत्रे नमो विश्वजेत्रे नमो विश्वपित्रे नमो विश्वमात्रे नमस्ते नमस्ते समस्तं प्रपञ्च प्रभोगप्रयोगप्रमाण प्रवीण मदीयं मनस्त्वत्पदं द्वन्द्वसेवा विधातुं प्रवृत्तं सुचैतन्यसिद्ध्ये शिलापि त्वदघ्रिङ्क्षमासङ्गिरेणु प्रसादाधिचैतन्यमाधत्तराम नरस्त्वत्पदद्वन्द्वसेवाविधानात् सुचैतन्यमेतीति किं चित्रमत्र पवित्रं चरित्रं विचित्रं त्वदीयं नराये स्मरन्तिन्वहं रामचन्द्र भवन्तं भवान्तं भरन्तं भजन्तो लभन्ते कृतान्तं न पश्यन्त तोन्ते सपुण्यः सगण्यः शरण्यो ममायं नरो वेदयो देवचूडामणिं त्वां सदाकारमेकं चिदानन्दरूपं मनोवागगम्यं परं धाम राम प्रचण्डं प्रतापप्रभावाभिभूत प्रभूतारिवीरप्रभो रामचन्द्र बलं ते कथं वर्ण्यतेऽतीव बाल्ये यतो खण्डिचण्डीशको दण्ड दशग्रीवमुग्रं सपुत्रं समित्रं सरिद्दुर्गमध्यस्थरक्षो गणेशं भवन्तं विना रामवीरो नरो वा असुरो वामरो वा जयेत्कस्त्रिलोक्यां सदा राम रामेति रामामृतं ते सदा राममानन्दनिश्चन्दकन्दं पिबन्तं नमन्तं सुदन्तं हसन्तं हनुमन्तमन्तः भजेतं नितान्तं सदा राम रामेति रामामृतं ते सदा राममानन्दनिश्चन्दकन्दं पिबन्नन्वहन्नन्वहं नैव मृत्योः बिभेमि प्रसादादसादात् तथैव असीतासमेतैरकोदण्डभूषै असौमित्रिवन्द्यैरचण्डप्रतापैः अलङ्केशकालैरसुग्रीवमित्रैः अरामाभिधेयैरलं दैवतेन अवीरासनस्थैरचिन्मुद्रिकाढ्यै अभक्ताञ्जनेयादितत्त्वप्रकाशै अमन्दारमूलैरमन्दारमालै अरामाभिधेयैरलं दैवतेन असिन्धुप्रकोपैरवन्द्यप्रतापै अबन्धुप्रयाणैरमन्दस्मिताढ्यै अदण्डप्रवासैरखण्डप्रबोधै अरामाभिधेयैरलं दैवतेन हरे राम सीतापते रावणारे खरारे मुरारे सुरारे परेति लपन्तं नयन्तं सदा कालमेवं समालोकया शेषबन्धो नमस्ते सुमित्रा सुपुत्रभिवन्द्य नमस्ते सदा कैकयीनन्दनेड्य नमस्ते सदा वानराधीशवन्द्य नमस्ते नमस्ते सदा रामचन्द्र प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रचण्ड प्रताप प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रचण्डारिकाल प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रपन्नानुकम्पिन् प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो रामचन्द्र भुजङ्गप्रयातं परं वेदसारं मुदा रामचन्द्रस्य भक्त्या च नित्यं पठन् सन्ततं चिन्तयन् स्वान्तराङ्गे स एव स्वयं रामचन्द्रः स धन्यः इति श्रीमत्परमहंसपरिव्राजकाचार्यस्य श्रीगोविन्दभगवत्पूज्यपादशिष्यस्य श्रीमच्छङ्करभगवतः कृतौ रामभुजङ्गप्रयातस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्। I hope you are doing preparation for Ram Navami, and we all are excited about Ram Navami, but the wind is blowing like never before. The unplanned wind is blowing like never before, and let's pray that I complete my
किती वेळाचा आहे
taskbar.